eggless whole wheat chocolate chip cookies recipe that you're surely gonna enjoy, as it is sugar-free, butter-free, and is filled with a yummy chocolatey taste. These cookies are extremely healthy and are full of chocolatey deliciousness. The best part is that I will be making it in both oven and in pan over the gas. And that's not all. I'll also show you how to turn these cookies into a quick and yummy dessert, a chocolate biscuit pudding without using any cream or butter. So if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, then welcome to The Fusion Theory, where I bring you delicious traditional recipe videos, and in the next video I give it an amazing fusion twist. So if that sounds exciting, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because in my next video I'm going to bring you a chocolate recipe that is going to be a savory chocolate recipe. Sounds different or weird? Maybe, but then I bet you will fall in love with it. So what are you waiting for? Do subscribe and hit the bell icon, because I'm sure you would not want to miss out on this one. But before that, let's make today's recipe. First, we'll begin with making the chocolate chip cookies. For making the chocolate chip cookies, begin with sieving whole wheat flour 1 cup, cocoa powder 1/4 cup. We'll add corn flour 1 tablespoon. Now if you like chewy cookies, then use corn flour, else skip it. Next goes in baking soda 1/2 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. Now sieve everything thoroughly. This will also help in taking away the lumps that are usually found in the cocoa powder. Now in a bowl, take powdered jaggery 1/2 cup and add clarified butter or ghee 1/2 cup. Now here I have used pounded jaggery. I have pounded the jaggery in a mortar and pestle. If you want, you can grind it in a mixer jar or use the store-bought powdered jaggery. Now mix everything thoroughly. Now add milk 1/4 cup, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Now give everything a good mix until you get a smooth consistency. Next, we'll add our dry ingredients. Add choco chips 1/2 cup. Now mix everything and form a dough. Now at this point, you would notice that the dough is very moist, so refrigerate the dough for 15 to 20 minutes to make it more easy to handle. Now once the dough is ready, grease a baking tray and shape the dough into round flat cookies. Sprinkle some more choco chips on top. Now you have to make these in batches, as you would need to leave some space because these cookies will expand while baking. Now bake it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The cookies are ready and I'll let them cool completely. For me, it took around 14 minutes at 180 degrees. Now if you want to bake these cookies in a pan, then take a non-stick pan and grease it with oil. Place a parchment or butter paper or just any normal paper. Grease the paper as well. Now place it over the gas over very low flame and heat it for 5 minutes, and then place the cookies. Cover and bake for 15 to 20 minutes over low flame. After 15 minutes, keep a check on these cookies as they get burned really soon. For the pan, I have made small sized cookies so that they get cooked evenly. And here is the final product. The 2 smaller ones I baked in pan, and the 3 bigger ones are the ones that I have baked in oven. Now let me show you the inside. You can see how well they have cooked, and they are just amazing. Now if you like the video, then do give it a thumbs up by hitting on the like button. So the cookies are done. Next, I'm going to show you how to turn these into choco chip pudding. For making the chocolate biscuit pudding, take corn flour 2 tablespoons and mix it in very little water and form a slurry. Next, in another bowl, take cocoa powder 1/4 cup, add little water and make a chocolate paste out of it. Now bring 2.5 cups of milk to boil, add sugar 1/2 cup. Next, add the chocolate paste. Mix it thoroughly. Next goes in the corn flour slurry. Keep stirring at low flame so that the mixture doesn't stick to the bottom. Mix until it reaches a smooth and thick consistency. It will take you around 5 to 7 minutes. Now let the mixture cool down completely and then we will assemble. For assembling, take individual serving bowls and place a choco chip cookie at the bottom. Drizzle some warm milk on top. Now pour our chocolate pudding mixture. Now dunk another cookie into the warm milk and place it in the center and cover with some more chocolate pudding. For decoration, grate some white chocolate on top and sprinkle some choco chips. It tastes best when refrigerated for 2 to 3 hours. And our delicious and quick choco chip cookie pudding is ready. Now this is a super quick and easy dessert recipe that you can create in a jiffy, especially when you're running short of time. Plus, it tastes really amazing. So if you like this video and you're super excited about the next savory chocolate recipe, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And which one out of these two recipes did you like the most? Do let me know in the comments. And if you could guess that what the next savory chocolate recipe can be, then do let me know in the comments as well. So see you next week with a new fusion chocolate savory recipe. Until then, happy cooking to you.